Your invitation cards looks cheap because of these design mistakes. Now let me fix it properly. Most people think invitation card fail because of color or fonts, but the real problem is layout, hierarchy, and poor design decisions. In this video, I will show you how to design a clean and professional design invitation card in Photoshop, step by step, including how to press a QR code the right way. This is a final result we are building. It is simple, readable, professional, and ready for WhatsApp or Instagram. Now, before designing anything, setup matters, because a wrong document setup already makes your design look unprofessional. Therefore, go to Files and create a new document using the following dimensions, because we are going to use them on Instagram and WhatsApp. Now let us go to the first mistake, that is layout, structure, and color balance. Most invitation cards fail because of these layout mistakes. As we know that a good design is not about decoration, it is the structure that is layout. Now to fix them, let me start from the scratch so that you can have a full picture on how to design it. Therefore, go to adjustments and fill a solid color. Use this code. Also go to a rectangle tool and create a half rectangle and fill this color. Then Ctrl J to duplicate this half rectangle. Then change color to black. And finally go to filter, then filter gallery, convert to smart object and select sketch, go to tone paper effect. Now reduce opacity around 30 is enough, and then go to files, press embedded. Now let me press this object and then reduce opacity around 5%. Yes, to me it looks good. Then draw a rectangle as follows. Let us change radius angle. You go to curvature pen tool and change this angle. Now Ctrl J to duplicate it and go back to the rectangle below and extend appearance. Then remove fill color to 0 and go to FX, add stroke around I think 9 pixels. Then press OK. Let me align them properly. Also go to FX, add drop shadow, set opacity around 40%, distance 4 pixels, spread 0%, and size around 76 pixels, and make sure the angle is 90 degrees. Then press OK. Then go back to rectangle above and duplicate it by Ctrl J and go back to the shape below and change the fill color to gradient overlay. Go to FX and color overlay. This time let us choose gradient overlay. Yes, I wanted this code because I want it to surround the above rectangle. Okay, let me change the appearance. What if it will look like this? And press OK. Also go back to the rectangle above, then change color to this one and go to filter gallery, then convert to smart object and sketch, then choose note paper, then press OK. Reduce opacity around 10 is enough. Now the background is OK. Let us group them and rename as background. Then go to files, press embedded. Rasterize the object, right click and rasterize layer. Then go to rectangle marquee tool and select. Then go to edit, cut and paste it. Also go to file again, press embedded. And also let us group them and rename as decoration. Now allow me to talk about mistake number 2, that is typography and hierarchy. If people do not know what to read first, then your design has failed. Taking an example from this design, the designer missed a consistency on letter or fonts that confuse the whole design. Now to fix this, use few fonts. If possible, use only 2 fonts that complement each other. I mean a font pair that will create a good hierarchy for a professionalism. You can still watching the process as follows. Now allow me to paste the text that I copied from the previous design. Now starting with the names, let me change the font size and color. Here let me use 9 points. Let me use this color. And let's change this to Montserrat Tariq. And the font size 3 point. Yes, this one sound good. And let's change this paragraph. Let us center the text. Yes, this one let me change to Great Vibe. Nine points. And change color. And also this one let me change to this one. And the font let me use Montserrat. Base of alignment. Now let me talk about QR code placement. In case you find it difficult to get a QR code, now you can easily create it with Affinity Designer. You can watch my previous video to get it. Now if you see this design, you find most people read their invitation card with QR code. Therefore, step by step, let me fix them as follows. Allow me to copy this QR and paste it to this design. And reduce, make sure it is aligned properly. Now we are doing this because we believe that a QR code should support the design. Finally, this is before and this is after. Same content, completely different results. Remember, a professional invitation card needs only 4 things: clean layout, clear hierarchy, balanced color, smart QR placements. If this helped you, save this video and use these principles in your next design. Thank you for watching and see you until next time.